The official vehicle of nowhere is here, the 2023 GMC Canyon midsize truck. Boasting a fully redesigned exterior with a standard factory lift and widened track across the lineup, a new premium suite of advanced technology and an all-new interior design, the next generation Canyon is built from the ground up to conquer any terrain. The 2023 model year Canyon introduces the first ever Canyon AT4X option to its lineup. Building on the success of AT4, the AT4X sub-brand is the ultimate expression of GMC's commitment to delivering serious off-road capability. First introduced on the 2022 Sierra, the AT4X trim has quickly become synonymous with robust off-road credibility. The 2023 GMC Canyon will be the first midsize truck on the market to offer a suite of segment-first key features, including available underbody cameras, including front and rear-facing views underneath the vehicle, available head-up display, fully digital driver information center, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, available Google built-in, Google Automotive Services.
Introducing Canyon AT4X, inspired by the Canyon AT4 concept first introduced in 2021. The Canyon AT4X boasts a factory-lifted, ultra-wide track to elevate the off-road performance and capability. Canyon AT4X comes standard with 33-inch MT tires, Multimatic DSSV shocks, front and rear lockers, underbody skid plates and the AT4X exclusive Baja drive mode. GMC is eager to stay on the more luxurious end of the midsize truck market, hitting the Canyon with a spritz of luxury. Each trim line comes with a color scheme unique to that trim. The Canyon sits on a new, wider track than previous years and comes with a 2.0-inch lift on elevation, AT4, and Denali trims, with a 3.0-inch lift reserved for the AT4X. The new AT4X Edition 1 will come at a $64,000 plus price, nearly $20,000 higher than the 2022 Colorado ZR2's MSRP. That price launches at past competitors including the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro and Ford Ranger Raptor, landing it in the ballpark closer to off-roading monsters like the Bronco Raptor. According to GMC, the price of the Elevation will also be going up, starting at an estimated $41,495. The AT4, which GMC told us was the most popular Canyon sold in the last generation, is estimated to start at a more reasonable $42,495.